ladies was that Pastor Joel Villas to be there. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Rose Raymond, and this is the 81st edition of Birthday Casey. How about to start the celebration? We think it's round of applause. Palihin po muna ako ng isang malakas sa palakpakan. Mula na para ng Higawan! Alright, that was wonderful to show how much you guys love and support to our beloved Delta for the night. Siyempre, we are very happy for you chosen to report for this momentous occasion. And very thankful. Wala pa katungli ang bawat isa. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nagpunta ngayong araw itong celebrate ang birthday celebration ni Casey. Alright, alam nagsuko po. Excited na kayong makita ang ating beautiful and lovely debutant for the night. Excited po lahat? Siyempre,